Good evening. Live from the NCSD Weather Center, I'm Meteorologist Anthony Charlonis with your weekend weather update. Looking at some of the highlights that are coming up for this week, it's going to be sunny and seasonable early in the week. There's going to be a chance of rain moving in on Wednesday, and then followed by cloudy but warming weather as we move towards the end of the week. So looking at the past week, we've had this extremely wet pattern that moved in on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's just persisted there till earlier today. It's been really cool and really wet, dropping about 3 inches of rain on the area. Speaking of which, that has moved our yearly rain total from about 1.5 inches to 4.1 inches, which brought us from a way below our average precipitation for the year to about half an inch above our yearly precipitation. So what's happening right now is earlier today, the last remnants of this wet pattern have moved off the coast with this cold front. And that was, you could see that this morning when the clouds moved out, the sun started to shine again and the temperatures warmed up. Right now, there's a cold front that's moving in, so that's going to cool down our temperatures tonight. It's going to drop them to around freezing. And then as we move into tomorrow, the pattern will stay relatively similar and the temperatures will rise into the upper 50s. So looking at your class-by-class schedule, at 8 a.m., the temperatures are still going to be in upper 30s, so make sure to bring your sweatshirt tomorrow morning to class. The temperatures are going to rise dramatically to the mid-50s as we move into noon in the afternoon. And then around 4 o'clock in your evening commute, it's going to be around 55, 56 degrees. So tomorrow, the high temperature is going to be around 57. It's going to be clear, but it's going to be a little bit gusty. You're going to have some winds that are, sustained winds in the 10 to 20 miles per hour range. Those will die down as we move into the evening. It's going to be 32 and clear. And then as we move into Tuesday, the temperature is going to be around 62 and mostly sunny with relatively light winds. And then as we move throughout the week, looking at your 5-day outlook, as you can see, you have the early week. It's going to be nice and sunny and clear in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Some rain is going to move in on Wednesday. And then as you get into Thursday and Friday, it's going to be cloudy, but it's going to warm up as you get into the weekend. Thanks for watching. I'm Meteorologist Anthony Charlonis. Have a great week.